Casey Anthony makes another call from the slammer. She is a person of interest in her daughter Caylee's disappearance and possible homicide. Well, today Casey called her brother Lee and had this cryptic exchange.
How's everything going as far as you're concerned?
Well, I mean, I think it's kind of something new every day. Some of the stuff that we talked about before, if there's anything additional or, at this moment, I mean, I don't really have a lot of my notes with me right now, but, I know there's some people that we refer to in the past, and, I'm just curious if, anything has changed as far as, who I can trust and all those type of things.
Well, I mean, as far as I'm concerned here, I don't really know on that level. I guess understandably, just being out of contact, but, I mean, as far as I'm concerned, nothing's really changed.
Bernie, what do you make of the brothers' demeanor in that call?
Yeah, I mean, they're both pretty guarded, unlike the first phone call last week where she said, "Hi, Mom, I saw you on TV," and everything was just wide open like no one was listening. They're trying to speak in some code. But it seems to me the brother is at the end of his rope saying, "I've given you every benefit of the doubt, and every benefit of the doubt I can give a sibling. It's over with. I can't." He said every day it's something new. And he's referring to his notes, which is every time I talk to you, you have some different idiotic, inane explanation. I'm sort of cooked with you. I'm done.
Ted, we don't have the tape. We didn't play the tape, but when she picks up the call, he says, "How you doing?" And she's like, "I'm good. I just took a shower." It's weird to hear her happy demeanor on these calls.
It is terribly weird, and it's terribly cavalier. You would wonder if you were the defense attorney in this kind of a case, Megan, I know you were a great prosecutor and not a defense attorney, you would tell your client you would tell her to shut up, not to even talk to even her brother under this circumstance or scenario. She, again, Megan, is playing a cat and mouse game. This woman is no dummy. She may have some psychiatric problems, but she realizes everything she says. She measures each and every word. She's playing a game, and hopefully she will lose in the end.
Janine, that is the thing. This is not a dumb woman.
No, she's not a dumb woman, Megan. And what's so fascinating about all of this is the fact that they're releasing the tapes to the public. It's as though they want people to know everything that's being said. Normally, law enforcement closes everything off, so the public is not privy to this. There is something else going on here, Megan. I could feel it. Does she care about her daughter? Absolutely not. She's the one who said the other day, everybody only cares about Caylee. She is a selfish, non-interested mother.
But Michael, why, if the police believe Caylee's been murdered, why are they not at least looking for the body? Does that strike you as bizarre?
Don't be too sure they're not looking for the body. That may be their public persona, their public statement. They may be very quietly looking for the body. A second ago when you said, she's an intelligent woman, I would agree. She's intelligent, but she's not very bright in one thing. All this is being public. She knows her phone calls are being taped, but yet she puts that type of diatribe out to the public. Does anybody that's listening like her? Do we like her? No. If she ends up in trial, she will put out the same demeanor to a jury, and I guarantee you within about the first 30 seconds, the jury's going to look for a way to convict this lady. So is she being smart? No, I think she's being very stupid in doing it this way.
Well, the thing I keep coming back to is these cell phone records, because they're going to tell the story, and one way or the other, they're going to pin her down on those. Panel, thanks so much. We're going to have much more on the disappearance of Caylee Anthony a little later in the hour, a timeline you're going to want to see. And coming up, a desperate search continues for this man.